Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood of Deck Restoration Plus, and today we're going to talk to you about one of our stains, and that is the Maple Shade Brown. And the Maple Shade Brown, the evolution of this this tone was we had a light and then we had a darker brown, and a lot of people started saying, hey, I wish it was a little lighter, I wish this one was a little darker. Do you have something in the middle? And we used to intermix those things. Instead of intermixing, we came up with a new tone, and that's our Maple Shade Brown. It's a medium brown tone. So our Seneca Brown is our light brown, our Morristown Brown is our dark brown, and then this is our medium brown. It goes on a little dark, but then as it dries, it dries to a medium brown. We'll see that a little bit today, right now. The way we're going to apply that is going to be a wet-on-wet application. We don't let the first coat completely dry before we put on the second coat. We recommend putting on the second coat within about 10 minutes of the first coat. So we're going to do that today. Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain, it's the water base that performs and acts like an oil. It actually penetrates, goes into the wood. It's easy to clean and maintain this. Never have to strip it off. And it can be applied to wet, damp, or dry wood. So Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain is the answer. Your wood. Here we go. First coat. Again, it looks dark, but as you put it on, it comes out to a medium brown. Now, this is interesting because we're putting this on cedar, and you can see this wood is a little darker, this piece. And cedar has a little bit of an orange tone to it, cedar, so you can see that. These are transparent, so they're going to show the grain through, and that's what this does, but it gives it a medium brown tone while still allowing the characteristic of the wood to come through. Now I'm just back brushing a second coat for the video, but I would normally wait about 10 minutes in between. And again, this is going to be our medium brown tone, our Maple Shade Brown. And if you're ready to order, we're ready to take your call. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood of Deck Restoration Plus.